Where the stars in the river lie, I wander down the heathered glen to hear the songs of long-lost men. In the moonlit glen where the shadows dream, whispers of the old world gleam, voices call from hill and fen, guide me home.